So guys, Apple has been hiding a crazy feature inside your phone, and I guarantee you've never used this feature before. So guys, this is the sound recognition feature. So this feature has been on the iPhone for a very long time. I feel like we have not been using the feature because people will be like, yeah, it's not something you would really know about until someone tells you about. So this is the sound recognition feature whereby your phone can be able to listen to sounds when you're not paying attention. So let's say a fire is burning and you're not paying attention that the fire is burning, your phone can pick up the sound of the fire burning and call 911. Or maybe you're cooking something, you're boiling water in the kettle, your phone's gonna pick up the sound and it's gonna let you know. You might be wondering, what am I talking about? Let's dive into that. Yeah, okay guys, so this is my phone and I'm going to be showing you what the sound recognition is and how to get it set up on your phone. So you want to go to your settings, basically. Go to your settings and you want to come here and then you just want to search for sound recognition. You're going to search for sound and here it is. So this is sound recognition. So my phone sound recognition is off. So it's saying your iPhone will continuously listen for certain sounds and using on-device intelligence will notify you when sounds may be recognized. Sound recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances where you may be harmed or injured in high-risk or emergency situations or for navigation. Okay, so let's turn it on. So it is on now, and now it's going to tell you to choose which sound you want to recognize. So you click on sounds. Now this is fire. If you want your phone to be able to recognize the fire sound, you just come here, you click on. And it's going to be like, and it's going to show you the alert tones. So now you can select how you want your phone to sound whenever fire is burning. So whatever one you want, select it. I'm just going to turn it off. That's about the fire. You can put the siren, you can put smoke, and you can also create a custom one by yourself. You can create a custom one and let it know which one you're talking about. You can like play a sound, and whenever it hears this kind of sound, it should always alert you. And animals also, household, car on, doorbell, door knock, glass breaking, kettle, water running. You can also set your custom appliances or doorbell, or even people, baby crying, coughing, shouting. This feature has been on the phone for a very long time and I feel like most people don't know about this feature, but I'm letting you know about this feature today. Well, basically, I didn't even know about this feature until I was just going through my phone and I saw something like a sound recognition. I was like, wow, this is very, very cool feature. And I'm going to be letting you guys know another reason why it is not, like Apple did not promote it. So I hope this helped. So guys, you guys just saw what I just showed you. That's the sound recognition on the iPhone, how to set it up, and it's very, very easy to use. But like, I used to wonder why Apple never promoted this feature. So basically, Apple created this feature for people who are hard hearing, people who find it hard to listen to something, whereby this feature is going to be able to help them to like listen more better, I guess so. So I searched the whole of Apple website and I never saw this feature being promoted there or anything being said there. So I felt like maybe Apple just don't want you to know, some of the things the phone can really do. But this feature is very helpful. It can help you do a lot of things. Imagine you can know when someone is sneaking in, because you can set a sound like that. You can know when the siren is, you can know when the fire is burning, you can know when your microwave beep is over. Like, your phone is going to let you know about everything. Only if you are not focused. Let's say you were not able to pick it, you can't pick when the microwave is done, you can't pick when your kettle is running, when the water is boiling, or like you find it hard to hear about some things. So the iPhone is going to be able to hear those things and alert you. So this feature is very great. So now that you know, go try it out and let me know what you think about this feature. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Bye.